Get ready for the future of travel. The 2025 Tesla Motorhome project is here, and it's about to blow your mind. Imagine a fully off-grid, self-sustaining vehicle packed with cutting-edge tech, all for just $85,670. Is this the ultimate road trip machine? Stick around to see why this could be your next dream ride. Movico Giant XL01. Imagine this. You have a high-end event, and you need a space that's as flexible as it is impressive. That's where the Giant XL01 comes in, the mobile event venue of the future. It's not just a container, it's a game changer. In just 6 hours, with the help of 2 people, a simple 14-meter container transforms into a stunning triple-deck venue. And we're talking about the space of 6 such containers. With room for 195 guests, the Giant XL01 offers seamless access on the ground floor, so everyone can come in comfortably. Want to take things up a notch? The rooftop terrace offers a panoramic view, perfect for 25 people to enjoy. Inside, you'll find climate control to keep things just right, LED lighting to set the mood, and all the tech you need to create an exclusive atmosphere. Whether it's for a big sports event or a special marketing campaign, this mobile venue brings luxury and versatility wherever it goes. Living Vehicles' original legacy RVs are semi-permanent style high-end travel trailers and fifth wheels built for full-time residential use, so exceptional detail goes into design, durability, and usability factors. The team at LV is headed up by Matthew, along with his father Walter, who have a passion for the outdoors that's coupled with decades of experience in construction, architecture, design, brand management, marketing, and even creating a publishing business that catered to winter adventurers. Both of them have lived in an LV for years at a time. Walter explained, "We're like an architectural firm, which makes us quite unique in the RV space because we don't approach our design from the RV world. We come at it from the architectural world. We started with a blank sheet of paper and said, what do we want to build that's really comfortable, off-grid capable, and net zero efficiently responsible? The new Thor Vision Vehicle Motorhome concept is proof that RVing isn't dead. The whole recreational vehicle industry, including motorhomes, travel trailers, and camper vans, is expanding thanks to tech-savvy, pandemic-weary consumers who take the art and peace of recreating seriously. RV technology isn't stagnant either. Part of the growth includes electrification, meaning innovation of the RV industry that mirrors the current transformation in the automotive market. The Thor Vision vehicle is classified as a B+ electric recreational vehicle, so it's slightly bigger than a B-class but smaller than a C-class RV. Its electric chassis has been co-developed with Roush, and though Thor doesn't outright say it, the cab is clearly based on the Ford Transit. Its aerodynamic design, clean roof lines, and aerodynamic wheel covers attempt to maximize efficiency. Some measures toward weight savings are taken, and supposedly gone are the days of big all side mirrors, replaced this time by slimmer video-enabled units. Machi Element Palazzo Superior. The Element Palazzo Superior is a masterpiece that redefines opulence, combining the supreme designs and features from motorsports, aviation, and yachting into one luxurious mobile home. Revealing itself similar to a 2-story mansion on wheels, this groundbreaking vehicle affords panoramic views through a fisheye windshield, which gives the residents a sense of openness in their mobile wonderland. Adorned for comfort, it's far more than your average RV. This traveling mansion is a new breed of luxury and innovation poised to change the landscape of mobile living. PowDX Go. That unit was the Grande S1 from startup PowDX Go, a company boasting a team based in the US, Canada, and China. A one-off Grande S1 was built in 2020 as an experimental dorm project. But other than that, there was no prototype. At the time the pre-order books opened. There is one now, and it's available for viewing at the PowDX Go showroom in Ontario, Canada. However, if your plans for the immediate future don't include a trip overseas, that same prototype is shown in the video at the bottom of the page. This marks the first time the prototype Grande S1 is shown to the public, and it brings more details and a bit more certainty to potential customers. The Grande S1 is, on paper at least, the magical unicorn of tiny houses, a hybrid between an RV and a tiny home presented as a very compact towable with the most extraordinary capabilities at camp. This description is not an exaggeration either. The Grande S1 is marketed as a towable apartment you can haul with your daily driver, able to triple its size when you set up camp. The extension is automatic and takes only 15 minutes, and it adds a living room, a dinette, and a full bedroom. The Grande S1 also offers a kitchen and a full bathroom, though they're both very compact in size and with a minimal number of features. Hyundai HDC 6. Neptune Hyundai, proud champions of hydrogen fuel cell technology, has unveiled a new commercial mobility concept truck, the HDC 6 Neptune. Seen at the North American Commercial Vehicle Show in Atlanta, it simultaneously previews a fuel cell future and represents Hyundai's push to enter the European and US commercial vehicle markets in the very near future. The company has said it will also start looking into potentially working with partners to pave the way to establish a hydrogen ecosystem for commercial vehicles for 2030. Also commenting that larger vehicles such as lorries are in fact a better fit for hydrogen fuel cell technology with its longer range and shorter refueling times. Taking inspiration from Art Deco locomotives of the 1930s, the HDC 6 Neptune in fact looks like it was designed for a Hollywood sci-fi, all wraparound forms and wafer-thin LED strip lighting. The full-length cooling fins in the lower volume are even reminiscent of the land speeder from Star Wars. It also boasts turbine-style low-drag wheels. Luke Donkervolka, chief design officer of the Hyundai Group, commented that the fuel cell powertrain gave us the opportunity to redefine the classical typology and architecture of the truck. The Hyundai Commercial Vehicles design team started with a white sheet of paper, focusing on the new defined functionality, resetting all standards in order to project commercial vehicles in the future. Chrismar Exclusive XL. Imagine a life where luxury follows you wherever your horses take you. That's the promise of the Chrismar Exclusive, a horse truck that's not just built for transport, but crafted to be your home on the road. This isn't just any horse truck. The Exclusive series redefines what it means to combine elegance and practicality. Whether you're traveling for competition, training, or leisure, this is where functionality meets pure sophistication. And the best part? It's fully customizable, tailored entirely to your lifestyle and personal taste. Step inside the extra large cabin, where two sleek swivel chairs invite you to relax. Face forward for the journey, or turn toward your living space to create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. It's the kind of thoughtful design that makes you feel at home, even when you're miles away from it. With the Chrismar Exclusive, you're in control. You get to decide how much space your horses enjoy and how much comfort you want in your living area. Geely's Home Truck. Geely Group's commercial vehicle brand Farazan Auto has launched the so-called Home Truck during the annual Farazan Auto Day, held at the end of December in Xiangtan, Hunan, China. The Home Truck is Farazan's cutting-edge, luxury, new energy, intelligent heavy truck. Developed by Farazan's global R&D team over 6 years, according to the Chinese truck manufacturer, it combines European automotive manufacturing expertise with Chinese mastery of new energy and intelligent technology. The Home Truck was capable to cover 1,341 kilometers and earned the coveted High-Efficiency Performance Heavy Truck certification after rigorous testing by Kerry. Home Truck is also gearing up to challenge the world record for the longest range on a single refueling for a methanol range extender heavy truck in 2024. Home Truck features a fully digital powertrain management solution based on Farazan's methanol hydrogen plus electric technology, with versatile power options such as methanol range extender, methanol AMT, and pure electric. In addition, Home Truck autonomous driving functionality leverages Geely's satellite network and collaborates with global partners, employing a comprehensive solution with multiple cameras, laser radar, 4D millimeter wave radar, and integrated navigation. This ensures efficiency while significantly reducing driver fatigue. Tesla Cybertruck. The latest intel from the hardworking folks at Reuters now puts the Cybertruck's mass production start at late 2023, with early production beginning sometime around the middle of next year. With that in mind, Space Campers is eager to ensure that reservation holders and new shoppers don't forget the camper exists as their Cybertruck dreams inch closer to reality. The narrated video is still merely an animation and starts off with some rehashed info we learned back in June, but it does nicely illustrate how some of the multi-purpose furnishings and components move around to maximize layout functionality. It also goes through a few new tidbits we don't recall from Space's June introduction, showing how the standard storage compartment converts over to a mini kitchen, and how chefs can take their cooking outdoors with an available hitch-mounted swivel rack. Other points of interest include magnetic bedroom lights that secure to the metallic roof and move where they're needed, and a stargazing mode that lets campers slide the head of the bed outside to fall asleep under the stars. The biggest highlight, though, is the bed platform that transforms into an outdoor dining table, then flips up for use as a viewing screen for outdoor movie night. Space Campers plans to complement the multi-purpose panel with a portable projector that can also be used inside the sleeper roof. They're far from convenient for the regular RVer, but the idea is that they aim to show just how high you can elevate the standard for luxury living on the road. They're doing a mighty fine job at it, if we're being honest. A single look at Valhalla, aka the Muse, can confirm it. It's another ginormous trailer that offers 3 slide-outs for almost double the living space in camp mode, and such exquisite craftsmanship that it could very well be described as a work of art. Designed for a customer with a very specific taste, it also exemplifies the trend of mixing rare wood pieces with natural stone and eco-friendly materials. The living expands into a terrace, which sits on the smaller slide-out and is fitted with 2 wooden lounge chairs that would, again, look just at home on an art gallery display. CMC Caravan tells Auto Evolution that work on the Valhalla started with the doors, since the client fell in love with the way the company worked with wood and evolved from there. You can best see that in one of the kids' rooms, where the same mosaic-like motif on the door extends into the furniture and then through the rest of the room. Like other CMC Caravan trailers, the Valhalla has to be towed with a semi, which means it won't be allowed on most roads and will require a special permit to operate. It is described as an eye-catching symphony for the senses, one that is meant to evoke a journey into the natural world. Hymer Venture S innovation is also possible in the caravanning industry. 3 years ago, Hymer showed the Vision Venture motorhome study at the Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf. After a 2-year absence from the world's most important trade fair for leisure vehicles due to Corona, Hymer presented the series product at this year's Caravan Salon, which takes up many original detailed solutions. The Mercedes-Benz Sprinter with all-wheel drive serves as the basis. But, as Hymer boss Christian Bauer points out, the ingenious luxury motorhome will only be available in a very limited edition. But the price is also likely to limit the number of potential buyers. The manufacturer is asking a hefty 225,000 euros for this semi-integrated vehicle, which is just 6.46 meters long, and that does not even include many of the possible extras. The target group of mobile travelers is changing. Becoming more demanding is the reasoning behind the development of the Venture S. The body, which is hardly wider than the driver's cabin and painted with a special heat-reflecting color, is striking. Apart from the side entrance door, there is a horizontally divided tailgate, the lower half of which folds down to become a mini terrace that may be loaded with up to 350 kilograms. The upper half serves as rain or sun protection. In the rear, there is a face-to-face seating area with lounge character and a folding table which, together with the 2 bench seats, becomes a bed for 2 if required. The actual bedroom, however, is found on the 2nd floor. The roof can be raised pneumatically, the air-filled walls at the sides and front form a kind of alcove and should provide excellent insulation values. Hyundai HDC 6. Neptune Hyundai Motor, along with H2 Energy, will sell 1,600 fuel cell commercial trucks in Switzerland between 2019 and 2023. the debut of its latest electric truck, Hyundai Motor Company's HDC6 Neptune. The hydrogen-powered fuel cell heavy-duty electric truck with futuristic design was a scene stealer when it debuted at the North American Commercial Vehicle Show in Atlanta. It has a catchy name which Hyundai says was taken from the Roman god of the seas, Neptune, symbolizing the hydrogen-powered natural elements of the sea, the largest potential source of hydrogen fuel on Earth. With sleek design taken from the streamliner railway train sets of the 1930s, with Art Deco function-driven style, which pioneering Hyundai Motor Company's HDC6 Neptune, the hydrogen-powered fuel cell heavy-duty electric truck with futuristic design, was a scene stealer when it debuted at the North American Commercial Vehicle Show in Atlanta. It has a catchy name which Hyundai says was taken from the Roman god of the seas, Neptune, symbolizing the hydrogen-powered natural elements of the sea, the largest potential source of hydrogen fuel on Earth. With sleek design taken from the streamliner railway train sets of the 1930s, with Art Deco function-driven style, which pioneering 20th century industrial designer Henry Dreyfuss applied in his design for the New York Central Railroad at the time. This zero-carbon emission fuel cell truck also embodies the future with aerodynamic wheel covers and a seemingly robotic vibe, looking bold and iconic at the same time. Tesla House. The housing revolution just took a jaw-dropping turn. Tesla, best known for electric vehicles and pushing the envelope on clean energy, has officially entered the housing market in a way that's equal parts bold, sustainable, and surprisingly affordable. Priced at just $7,579, the Tesla Tiny House is a jaw-dropping innovation aimed at reimagining how we live. And now, for the first time, it's hitting the market. Whether you're looking for a cutting-edge ADU, a modern vacation retreat, or a zero-emissions rental property to complement your luxury portfolio, this could be one of the most intriguing housing concepts in recent years. The Tesla Tiny House is a fully solar-powered mobile dwelling unit that's built to showcase the brand's energy products in real time. Originally launched in Australia as a demo model, it features Tesla Powerwalls, solar panels, and a sleek, minimalist design. The concept aligns with Tesla's vision of a self-sustaining, off-the-grid lifestyle, complete with an energy management system that can be controlled from your smartphone.